Okay, today's video is going to be, I think, pretty cool video. Informative, we might say. If you've ever wondered, when you see guns on TV and like they go underwater, and then sometimes the guy will come up and pull the trigger. Now this is totally fake. Water shoots out of the barrel, but the bullet doesn't go off. Another thing that they do is they will hold the gun underneath the water, say they're in the ocean, or lake, who knows, and they pull the trigger and the gun shoots under the water. So I kind of wondered, would bullets still fire after they've been in the water? Today we're going to find out. But before we do that, I want to take you over here and show you the deer highway that goes through my yard. We got like, I don't know, probably 10, 12, 14 deer that come in my yard every night. Later on in the year, probably January till March, maybe the 1st of April, they just stay right over here, across the street right here. And they're there in the middle of the day. I mean, I can get out my car at 12:30, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the whole herd of deer sitting right there across the street. I think I need to shoot some deer. Anyway, I'm going to go show you the deer highway. Here we go. We'll come over here. You see that blue Connex over there? That's where it's at. Alright, now you look here, you see the, I don't know if you can see the fence. There's a fence right in there. And they jumped that fence. I dug this ditch right here. So deer come along. They all come from across this field out here by the river, and they jump the fence here. And then you can look, I don't know, you see those tracks on the ground right there? They come back here, there. Yeah. Anyway, coming along here, look at this. See how that's all torn over there? It looks like they come across here and they jump the ditch right here. And then they land right here. I'm going to jump the ditch myself. They land right here on this side where it's all torn up. And then they continue on across and they go across the yard over this way. And I'll show you some more proof. I don't know if you can see that one or not. Deer droppings right there. And then come right over here. And we've got a whole pile. Deer raisins right there. And then come up over here. And I don't know if this pile's even still here or not. Let's see. Look at that. There's a fresh one right there. There's an old one right up there just from it. And back here. So, yeah. They are all over out here. Anyway, we'll get those 22s in the water. Okay, so here you see we have a bucket full of water. See the water moving in there. Yeah, there you go. Out of the shade. Okay, so there's our bucket of water. And I've got a whole handful right here. These 22 shells. Now we're going to throw them in the water. And a couple more. Okay, I'm going to let them soak in that water for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and see if they still shoot. Alright, these bullets have been in this bucket for, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 minutes, so we're going to reach in here, pull some of them out. Alright, I'm going to put them on this towel right here. Maybe that's kind of cheating, I don't know, because of course when the, there you go, see that? Guns under the water, they don't dry the bullets, but that's all right. I don't want to get rust in my cylinder of my gun by getting the gun wet. Maybe some of you guys that are more willing to mess your guns up, go for it. There's another one, a couple over here. Oh man, those ones. I don't need to get them all out. Okay, we'll leave some in there. Anyway, there you can see on the towel, there's some bullets. And we're going to load them up into this revolver. It's 22 revolver here. And let me load them up, and then we'll go from there and see what happens. Okay guys, we're loaded up. We're gonna shoot over here. I don't know if you can see those cans. I'm gonna try to angle this thing better than last time so you can see if we hit any cans with those bullets that were under the water. Okay, I see the pole. I don't know if we can see the cans, but we're gonna give that a try. We'll see if these bullets actually fire after they've been in water. Well, okay you guys, I hope you saw that. Those bullets had been soaking in water and they still fired. That's freaking awesome, man. I'm gonna shoot some more of these bullets here in just a minute. Let's go check out those cans that I just shot, see what damage we did. Well, this is turning into a long video. Let's zoom back out here. I don't know if you guys got to see those cans getting shot. I hope you did. Anyway, 22 pistol. Hit this one. That's the exit hole. Nah, I don't know, man. Maybe that's the... No, that's definitely the entrance hole, but look at how it ripped it out at the bottom. And then it came out the back right there. Kind of tore it up. Then there's this can. We shot it. Whoop. So there's the exit hole on that one. Entrance hole is just teeny tiny right there. Wow, just a little one. And it tore it out pretty good on the back. Then we hit this one back here. Looks like we have a fairly big exit hole and a little tiny entrance hole right there. Then we hit this one right here. Didn't knock it off the table, but the bullet came out right there. The water made it turn weird. Anyway, I'm going to shoot some more cans. Alright guys, here we go. We'll shoot one more time, and then I'm going to call it a day. I've got a lot of stuff to do today. both of them at the same time. Well, it looks like my camera just done tipped over again. So, I'm going to call that a video. We blew those cans off there. And they're laying in the ground. So, hey, you guys have a good day. Remember to subscribe to Kelly Steele. And we'll see you next time.